Here's a quick overview on how to capture who updates a record in Teams when they are using the Centro Automation user. So in this example, in my Deal Desk channel, I have a finance approval and a legal approval. These can be updated by non-Salesforce users using a Centro Automation user. When I navigate to the Centro app, I have two forms that reflect those two buttons. So if I go to Centro Forms, you'll see two forms here, legal approval, finance approval. If I want to add and capture who's doing that approval, but they don't have a Salesforce license, I can navigate to the form and add a new field called Finance Approver. Go ahead and add that to the form and then move it down into the hidden section. Then I'm going to pass in a tag of square bracket, user ID. So this is going to pass in the Teams GUID of the user ID who edits and updates this form. This will allow me to know who's approving these records even though they are not a Salesforce user. So when I navigate here and I hit Finance Approval, I can set that either as reject and approve. And when I hit Save, I'm going to update that field in Salesforce with the merge tag of user ID. That way I know what team user approved that record. I can then use Salesforce Flow to link a contact record or maybe a chatter-only user to ensure that I have a name associated with that user ID. Please reach out with any questions.